Ano ang pinakamalaking kinita mo sa isang buwan?
Basta
Six figure. Ano ba yung mga ginagawa mo? Paano mo na-achieve yun?
I'm a financial planner in FWD Life Insurance. I sell insurances, health protection, life protection. So basically, that's what I do. Isa rin akong sales closer. I sell different programs. So, yeah, yun yung ginagawa ko.
Wow. Ilang taong ka na?
22.
Wait, 22 ka pala. Grabe
Yeah.
naman.
So,
22, tapos six figure. Working student? Eh, nag-aaral ka pa.
working student ako.
Ah, ang galing naman. Grabe. Kumikita ka na ng ganong kalaki. Tapos, working student. So, imagine, no? Yung iba dyan, mga bata out there, walang trabaho, umaasa sa magulang. Anong masabi mo sa kanila?
Siguro for me, be clear on what you want in life. Kasi ako parang, as young as I am, clear na ako like, I wanna help. I wanna transform my life na parang ayoko makontento kung anong meron ako ngayon. But I'm still grateful what I have, pero hindi ako kontento kung meron ako. I want more in life. Siguro ganun. It's all about mindsetting. How do you want? Gaano ka yung burning desire mo to really change your life as young as you are. So that's for me. Be clear on what you want in life. Kasi if you are clear, if you're not clear, para ka lang nag-waste papunta sa isang lugar na hindi mo alam. Pero hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta. So, same with life. Be clear on what you want and then act on it. And then, I guess the result will come along as long as you're doing better every single day.